AI is everywhere, but most people still don't understand how to actually use it. It feels complicated, technical, overwhelming, and no one has time to figure it all out. That's why we created your weekly AI shortcut. Every week, you get a quick, clear newsletter on Monday, a practical podcast on Wednesday, and a simple, easy-to-follow video on Friday.
No fluff, no jargon, just real ways to start using AI right away.
And when you subscribe, you also unlock the full audiobook and a 30-day free trial to the course, so you can actually put this into action. Stop feeling behind. Start using AI to save time, work smarter, and stay ahead. Join now and start building real AI skills one simple step at a time.